Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on building a directory website using Divi 5 theme and GeoDirectory. In today's video, we are going to show how to create a single listing detail page step by step using Divi 5 theme and GeoDirectory plugin. Let's dive in. Look at this listings detail page right now. It is in a basic layout. We will use the Divi 5 theme builder to give it a new look, okay? So let's get started. First, we need to come into the WordPress dashboard, then hover over Divi and click on Theme Builder. Then what we do is click on Add New Template and then click on Build New Template. Then we will scroll down from here to All Places. Which CPT's listing detail page are we going to create? Currently, we have the Places CPT, okay? So we will select All Places and click on Create New Template. Then we click on Save Changes to save it. After that, we click on Add Custom Body and then click on Build Custom Body. Then look guys, the Divi theme editor has opened. So we will use this to design the single page according to our needs, okay? First of all, we will take a main container inside this container in which we will put a code block. Then we will put the short code for GD post images inside it, okay? Then we get options here for how we want to show the post images. Single image, slider, gallery. So we will put it in a slider. Then we will keep the link as none because this will be the main page of the single page. Then we click on Advanced to open the advanced settings. We can show 3 images in the image limit or do not set an image limit. We will show 3 images in the show limit. It will come as 3 images in the slider. Then you can keep everything else as default. After that, we copy the shortcode, then we will paste it in here. After that, we open the layer, click on the section and come to Design. Then we click on Layout and we can change its layout a bit. So let's see. Otherwise, we come to spacing, set margin, top and bottom to 0, and set padding to 0 as well, okay? We will set everything to 0 and link them, so it will be 0 on both sides. We come to Content, click on Elements, and see what its settings are. Then we come to the row. After coming to the row, we come to Design, come to Sizing, and we will set the row width to 100% from here. Percentage is selected and we will also set the max width to 100% from here. We will change pixels to percentage and set the alignment to center. We will keep everything else as default and column class full width, yes. We will keep it full width 100% okay. We come to spacing, margin top and bottom 0, left and right 0, and padding the same. Then we save it. After saving, we will go back. Then we click on Save Changes to save it. Otherwise, our single template will not be applied. Then we come to the single page and refresh the page. Boom, guys. Now you can see how nicely our slider has been set here and the previous one has been removed. Now we will gradually make improvements to it. Like the slider we added, we are showing 3 at a time, okay? Below this, we will add the title and many other things. Let's move on. So we have to come back inside the theme builder, then click on Custom Body to go back into its editor. Then we create another section below this, which will have 2 columns, okay? In the left column of the 2 columns will be our post, meaning the listing's title. And so for that, we need to take a code block. Then from here, we click on shortcode and take the shortcode post title. Look, post title has appeared. Then we keep the design as H2. We will keep the font size a bit big. We will make it H3, okay? We come to wrapper style. We will set the borders to none. What is none will remain none. And we will keep the text aligned to left. We will copy the shortcode from here. Then we will paste it in here. Guys, now from here, the font size H2 and H3, okay? You change this from H3 to H2 for the size. Then we will put a shortcode in the right side block, which will be for favoriting the listing, okay? For that, we have to take the favorite shortcode from here. It will come as postfav. Show all. If you want to show both favorite text and icon, then all. If you want to show text, then just text. So I will set all to all. To add an icon, you have to click on Advanced. Then you can add an icon here. I will let the default icon remain set. Otherwise, you can paste the icon class from the Font Awesome site or from here, okay? So here, when the icon color is off, it will be gray. When I turn it on, it will become green. I will set it like this, okay? Or we can also make it red. So I will make it green. Let's keep the link in design, something like that. We will keep the badge background color as primary light, and we will make the badge size H3. We will set the position alignment to right, and we come to wrapper style. We will set the border to none from here. Okay, then we will copy the shortcode. We will paste it in here. Okay, we could have also added a badge to this. I have set the badge color to transparent here, which is why the badge color is not visible. So you can also set the badge color from here. You can just remove 10 from it like this. That's fine, right? So we have set it to right alignment to align it to the right. Let's save this now, okay? And what we'll do is click on the layer and then click on this row. Then we go to design, and in layout, we will set align items to center. So it will be centered from the top and bottom, right? We'll do the same for this column and set it to the right from here as well. Let's set justify content to center, okay? Right? We need to go inside the code for this because we have inserted a shortcode. Then we need to go to content. We can add custom CSS here to align it to the center, okay? So what we'll do is go back to this row, go to design, go to layout, and keep it at the start for now, guys. Okay, so that's done now. After that, below this section, we will take another section in which we will keep 2 columns. In the right column of this type, we need to take a code block and we need to put the shortcode in it, okay? We need to put a shortcode in this through which all the content of the post will be visible. So let's take that shortcode from here. The single tab one will appear, okay? You have to take this listing one, the single tab one, the single tab shortcode. Then we select show as a list. First, we will take its heading. Let's click on advance. Now, output type head only. Because we want the tab, we will show it gradually, and let's keep the heading tag as H2, and let's go to wrapper style, and we can also hide the border from here. Let's set it to none. Then we copy the shortcode. Then we will paste it in here. Then we need to open the shortcode again, and in this same single tab shortcode, instead of head only, we need to make it body only. Set it to show as a list. After that, copy the shortcode again and put it below this shortcode. Then we will close it. Now it has appeared. After that, what we do is, in the right column, we will first add an author action button so that the author of this listing can edit the listing. And for other users, that author action will remain hidden. So for that, we need to take a code block again. Then we open the shortcode from here and take the author action shortcode, okay? It has appeared. Now we copy it. We will put it in here. Then below this, we need to add another shortcode, which will be for contact, so that they can contact the listing, meaning customers can contact the listing owner for that. So for that, what we need to do is you will find a GD Ninja form shortcode here. As you can see, this GD Ninja form 1, then we need to select the form from here. So this form is not the simple contact form 1. Let me show you. So for that, you will have to go into the WordPress dashboard. After coming here, hover over Ninja Forms and come to the dashboard. Then here you can see that we will agree to this. Okay, so now click on Add New and you will have to scroll down a little bit. Click on GeoDirectory contact form. So this form will automatically be created and set here. Now this form has been added. You can see, look guys, the form is loading now. So it has come automatically. Now from whichever listing any customer makes an inquiry, the details will go to that listing owner. For that, we will publish this form. And we come back inside our theme builder and we will save this first. Then we will refresh the page once, okay, so that the new form shows up here for us. Now we need to go to the shortcode again. Go to the shortcode in the author action box, open it and click on the Ninja form shortcode. We have come to the GeoDirectory contact form from here, select it. And here we need to remove the contact form, make it contact, okay? Or we can write something like contact owner. So let's keep it as contact. Let's go to simple design. Let's type button. We can change the button color from here. Let's set the color to this type. That's done. We will make the badge size a bit big. Let's make it L size. Let's copy the shortcode and we will put it below this. Okay, done. Now we take one more code block below this, inside which we will put the shortcode. With this shortcode, the contact details of this post listing, post or listing will be visible. Okay, so for that, we need to put the output location shortcode here. We have taken this output location, then leave all these as default. After that, we will come to the wrapper style. All of these will remain none. We just need to copy the shortcode and paste it in here. Then let us save it once. Let us go to the output and refresh the page to see what changes have been made. Then we will make improvements after that. Now look guys, our post images have appeared. The favorite option has also appeared, right? The title has appeared. The tab has appeared, right? Now look, if you click on the map, it will show the map. If you click on reviews, it will come to the review section. If you click on the profile, it will show the profile. Now this edit and delete option is for the listing owner. For the customer, for the user. If they click on contact, the Ninja form contact form will be displayed here. After that, the category will appear. Which category does the listing fall under? The address will appear. The listing's phone number, email, website, whatever has been entered will all start appearing here. Now, if you want to show anything else here, you need to go into the WordPress dashboard to the CPT that has been created named Places, right? Go into the settings of these places, and whatever custom fields have been created, you need to show those same fields in this sidebar. So for that, click on Custom Fields, and let's assume this image is one, right? You are already showing images. So the images are already visible. I am just showing you for demonstration purposes. So you need to assign the sidebar here in Show Extra Output Location Details. So I am showing this just to check for dummy purposes. We will save it. So guys, there is currently too much space at the top. So what shall we do with the favorite button? We will move this title to the top, or we can also put the output location inside this. I mean, we can do whatever customization we want. Let us come to the builder, and what we will do with this shortcode is open the layer and put it inside this column by dragging it. Then what we do is take this shortcode and copy it, then place it inside the code block above this shortcode. Then we will delete this code block from here, and then we will also delete this column from here. Then click on the row and come to design. Click on layout and we will set it to start because we will fix the alignment of the justify content. Then what we do is come to the section. We will set the margin to 0 and also set the padding to 0 from the top and bottom, and then come to the section. Again, we have to set the padding from the bottom to 0. And clicking on the section below again, come to spacing, and what we need to do is set the padding from the top and bottom to 0. Now we will give this section some color. For that, come to content, come to background color and give it a slightly orange type shade to make it look a bit more professional. And we will come back to design and set the padding from the top, which we had set to 0 to 30 pixels. We have set it to 30 pixels, okay? And clicking on the section above, we will come to spacing and set the padding to 10 pixels. So what happens? Let us see. Let us set it to 20 pixels. Then we will save it. Come to content. Let us refresh the single page. Boom guys, now look how much better it looks. The post images are visible with the slider. If we click on favorite, it will turn green and our post listing title has appeared here. The post or listing. The tab has appeared here. The entire listing content is displayed here and more details are visible on the right side. So that was it. Today in this series video, we have shown how you can design the single page of a directory site using the GeoDirectory plugin and the Divi 5 theme. So in the next video, we are going to show the join page, right? We will show how to go to the add listing page through the join page, how to create it, what the concept will be. We also provide directory website development services. If you need a customized solution for your directory website, we're here to help. You can hire us at WpGeobuddyDevelopers.com. You can also follow us on our other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.